Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing great. I hope you had a fabulous holiday with family and friends. I know this year is a little strange for everyone, but I couldn't help myself. I wanted to do this look and use the Melt Cosmetics BeetleJuice collection. I think it is just such a pretty chartreuse color, and I really think you're gonna love it. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Look how cool. So we're really gonna be working with these awesome greens today. It's gonna be a pretty simple look. Neurotic. I'm gonna take a pencil brush and then I'm gonna do my lower lash line in that Draw Adore. I'm gonna take a little thinner brush and I'm gonna go in this Neurotic color. So pretty. And just for a little more like oomph to the look, I'm just gonna spray my brush just to give it a little bit more of a metallic look. It's already kind of wet looking, but I'm just gonna give it a little more. Oh yeah. That really give it a pop. I'm actually gonna go and do my liner and mascara lashes. I'm actually gonna pop this color Showtime from the Melt BeetleJuice collection. And yeah, I will be back to show you. All right, so we're back and I put the lip on. I love this color. It's so metallic, so shiny. And I love the eyes. Oh my gosh, this palette is so stunning. I don't think it's available anymore, but if you already have this palette, try recreating this look. It's bomb. Like this color Neurotic on the lid with the Draw Adore right in the crease. Like you don't need a lot of color. Like this packs a punch. Recreate this. Let me know what you think. I really am loving it. So I hope you guys love this look. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more looks like this. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Love this bird. No? She does not want the treats.